In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the canvas size in Inkscape quickly and easily. If you're creating graphics, thumbnails, social media posts, or print designs, setting the correct canvas size is one of the first and most important steps. The good news is that Inkscape makes this really simple once you know where the setting is. I'll walk you through how to open the canvas settings, how to choose standard presets like A4 or US letter, and how to manually enter custom sizes like 1920 by 1080 for things like YouTube thumbnails. By the end of this video, you'll be able to adjust your workspace in seconds without guessing or doing any complicated calculations. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Inkscape and design tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your project inside Inkscape. Once your document is open, you need to access the document settings where the canvas size is controlled. To do this, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Document Properties. There's also a faster way to open this window using a keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl, Shift, and D on your keyboard at the same time. As soon as you do this, the Document Properties panel will appear. This panel contains all the settings for your page, including the canvas size, units, and orientation. Inside the Document Properties window, make sure you're on the Page tab. This is where you'll control the size of your canvas. The easiest way to change the canvas size is by using presets. Look for the Format drop-down menu. When you click on this drop-down, you'll see a list of common page sizes used for print and digital design. For example, you can quickly select A4, A3, US letter, and 7 other standard formats. As soon as you select one of these presets, the canvas in your document instantly updates to match that size. This is perfect if you're designing posters, documents, or anything that needs a standard paper format. Using presets saves time because you don't have to manually enter measurements or calculate dimensions yourself. But sometimes you'll want a completely custom canvas size, especially if you're creating digital graphics. For example, if you're designing a YouTube thumbnail, a common canvas size is 1920 by 1080 pixels. To set a custom size, stay inside the Page tab and look for the Custom Size section. Here you'll see fields labeled width and height. Simply click inside the width box and type the value you want. For example, type 1920. Then click inside the height box and type 1080. As soon as you enter those numbers, your canvas will update automatically. This method works for any custom dimension you want to create, whether it's for social media graphics, website banners, presentations, or video thumbnails. Right next to the custom size settings, you'll also see the orientation options. These allow you to switch between portrait and landscape layout. Portrait means the canvas is taller than it is wide, which is common for documents and posters. Landscape means the canvas is wider than it is tall, which is often used for presentations, thumbnails, and digital graphics. You can toggle between these options with a single click, and the canvas will rotate to match the selected orientation. Another important setting to check is the units. Just above the width and height fields, you'll see the unit selector. If you're working on digital graphics like thumbnails, banners, or UI elements, it's best to set the units to pixels, which appear as px. If you're designing something for printing, you may want to switch the units to millimeters or inches instead. Choosing the correct units ensures your measurements are accurate for the type of project you're creating. Once you've set your preset or custom dimensions, your canvas size is updated and ready to use. You can close the Document Properties panel and continue designing on the correctly sized workspace. And that's all there is to changing the canvas size in Inkscape. As you can see, it only takes a few seconds once you know where the settings are located. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.